Doktora, as a medical doctor, I see firsthand po yung mga struggles ng mga kapwa Filipinos natin. Diba, madami pong mga hindi nakaka-receive ng better access to healthcare. So hopefully, with my platform in the Miss Universe organization, I will be able to advocate for better healthcare access, most especially dun sa mga nagsasuffer into kidney diseases. Currently po kasi I am working as a medical doctor po in various dialysis centers, and very grateful nga po ako sa mga institutions like Sacred Heart Medical Center kasi po meron po kayong dialysis na services and lahat po covered po ng PhilHealth. Very helpful and beneficial po yun sa mga patients and families.
Iba kasi at least ikaw, you saw it firsthand, you took care of them talaga. So alam mo yung parang, syempre, yung during the treatment, magkukwento yan.
Yes po, Doktora. Kasi bukod pa sa dialysis, meron silang mga kailangang i-take na gamot
may maintenance. Tapos usually, ano yung mga sakit niyan, sobrang dami na.
Diabetes, hypertension, dapat tuloy-tuloy talaga. Kailangan maging compliant po talaga sila sa pag-take ng gamot. Bukod po dun sa dialysis session.
At least yung PhilHealth is giving more coverage for these chronic patients. So ngayon, regardless kung magpa-dialysis sila sa government or sa private na institution, everything na no cash out, no? Free na yun. So all of their treatments, entitled na sila for that. Tapos including laboratory, including the dialyzer, tsaka yung ipo-within nila, the IV sucrose. So malaking tulong talaga.